Zuari Nagar, which is known as the most sensitive area in Mormugao Taluka, was once again gripped with tension since Thursday night after security guard at Zuari Industries Limited committed suicide by jumping into the river Zuari from the Zuari bridge, allegedly after he was harassed by senior security in charge. The deceased security guard's colleagues were upset and blamed his superior for his death. The situation was brought under control when the authorities concerned assured a thorough probe and action in the case.
According to the information available, the incident came to light after some passerby informed the Agasai police that one person had jumped into the river Zuari from Zuari bridge around 4:30 p.m. Thus the police rushed to the scene and found that a black Pulsar motorcycle bearing registration number GA03 B5470 has been left on the bridge, and the key and the wallet with cash and identity card were lying on it. After the police took possession of these items, they identified the victim as one Sanjay Desai, resident of Upasnagar. Subsequently, the relatives of the victim were informed. The police then launched a search operation to locate the body of the victim, but the body could not be traced. As the news spread amongst his friends, the colleagues of the victim, more than 50 people gathered at the Agasai police station and later to the Verna police station on Thursday evening with the allegations that the deceased could not have committed suicide and it must be planned murder. They also alleged, as the deceased had a conflict with the head security Dalip Singh, he either took revenge or abetted the suicide. The people also complained that although they were at Verna police station at 7 p.m. on Thursday to register their complaint, Police Inspector Edwin Colasso registered the missing case of Sanjay Desai the following day at 4 in the morning, only after Goa 365 team rushed to the site. During the night, the Zuari Industries officials met the South Goa Collector N.D. Agarwal over apprehension of possible violence at the main gate. As the situation took the shape of a revolt in the morning, the main entrance to the Zuari Industries Limited was blocked by more than 500 workers, and this was the first time in the history of the protest at Zuari. Housewives in large number too joined the protest, demanding termination of service and arrest of the security in charge, Dalip Singh, and his two bodyguards. The agitators also confronted the police officials who had come down to take control of law and order situation. The leaders of the various unions of ZIL, NGO, Chief Tara Kerkar and women group rushed to extend support to the agitating workers and their demands. Later, heavy police force was also deployed at the site, suspecting violence. Mormugao Mamladar Lakshmikant Desai, Deputy Collector Gauri Shankwalkar, South Goa Collector N.D. Agarwal, Superintendent of Police South Ellen Disa rushed to the site to take control of the situation. The police officials also held a meeting with the Zuari officials in order to resolve the issue. According to the agitated crowd, victim Sanjay Desai had no reason to commit suicide, and as the security in charge Dalip Singh had already threatened the victim and 4 others with dire consequences, which compelled him to commit suicide.
एक आदमी को चुन के मारेगा, चुन के धमकी दिया है दलीप कुमार ने, और दूसरा दिन ही ये केस हो गया।
संजय का जो ये मौत हुआ है, उसका जो बलिदान जो हमारे क्या है, वो हमको न्याय मिलना चाहिए। आज ये आजाद हिंदुस्तान में कंप्लेंट लिखवाने के लिए भी हमको 7-7 घंटा उसका रिसिप्ट के लिए हमको भीख मांगनी पड़ती है। कोई भी कामगार काम नहीं करेगा, यहाँ तक दुआ भी हम बंद कर देंगे।
संजय आज ना झाला, फाले माझं कोण ना जातला, तुम्ही जिम्मेदार आहात।
Tara Kerkar and others present alleged that the Verna police were trying to shield security in charge Dalip Singh and his bodyguards and thus did not register their complaint till late night.
ज्यांना काल सांचे सण सुमार लोक पोलीस स्टेशनार गेले आणि पुलिसाक कंप्लेंट दिवपाक लागले, पुलिसांनी त्यांची कंप्लेंट घेऊन ना, कंप्लेंट घेऊन 6 वाजल्यापासून झाले सकाळी 3 वाजेपर्यंत त्यांना पोलीस स्टेशनार दवला आणि फक्त मिसिंग घेतला। त्यांना एक दुबाव असा, दिलीप म्हणटा त्या भुरग्यान आणि 2 सेक्युरिटीन त्या संजय किडनॅप केला आणि त्याका औरंग ते उठा खंयतरी उडयला मारला असता।
अगर ये स्टेटमेंट लेना जरूरी है और उन्होंने नहीं लिया, 3 बजे तक रखा है, तो ये पुलिस के तरफ से बहुत बड़ी गलती और भूल हुई है। ये आइंदा न हो, ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए।
फर्स्ट थिंग वो दलीप कुमार कोण हा त्या हिंगाचो काढून
मॅनेजमेंटान भायर उडोवंक जाय.
सस्पेन्शन जाय की
काडपाक जाय तो आनी हिंगा कोंता केस ना.
According to the father of the victim, Sanjay Desai, his son had no reason to commit suicide.
वो ऐसा कभी भी नहीं करेगा. हमारा इतना हम लोग बच्चे लोग सब ऐसा है, एकदम सादा सिंपल है.
The All India Trade Union Congress General Secretary and his team rushed to the site and joined the protest. Environment and Forest Minister and Kortali MLA Alina Saldana also visited the scene to take stock of situation.
It's very obvious that he was harassed, that he was totally feeling lost. They have to be arrested. And that's what I have requested the police inspector to arrest them and then follow the procedure of investigation to establish the cause that made this young boy to jump off the river.
Meanwhile, the high voltage drama finally ended late in the afternoon after Collector South N.D. Agarwal, who held a meeting with the Zuari company officials and asserted that the said Dalip Singh has been suspended from the job. He also assured to the people of stringent action and thorough probe into the matter.
यदि कोई सब कुछ करो दुर्भाग्य हुआ है तो जिस आदमी का उसके पीछे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, जिसने जो भी कुछ किया है, उस आदमी को हम बख्शेंगे नहीं, ये हमारा प्रॉमिस है.